Well, engines are revving, the beach is buzzing. Of course, it's an exciting time here on the Delmarva Peninsula and Ocean City because it's Jeep Fest. There's gonna be sand courses, there's gonna be sunrise beach crawls, and of course, there's gonna be a spectacular display of Jeeps just like this for you guys to see. Let's take you inside a little preview of this year's Jeep Fest.
Most people do this like multiple times, which means when they come out here to do the sand course, we have a shift of like 2.5 hours, and they get to basically do this as much as they can in 2.5 hours. So we kind of do the course, and they come in this stage again, and they do the course, and they kind of keep, it's like an organized flow all day long. So we're kind of cruising over what Jeff creates as like a whoop-de-doo kind of vibe. See how you can see the tracks, but it kind of messes with your they call it articulation. So that's what happens when you go through and you're testing your suspension a little bit like this. What happens here at Jeep Fest is that people come out here on the beach, they do the beach crawl in the morning, they do the sand course, they have a good time, they enjoy getting their Jeep out on a beach in a safe environment. And many times, some of these people, it's the first time they've ever four-wheeled before. So getting it in low or getting it in high for four-wheel drive, we show them that if need to be. Airing down your tires is a key. You want to get your tires down to about 20 pounds because that lets them belly out, they call it. Gives you better traction. And then and we just kind of let them do their thing out here. But like I said, Jeff and the team at Delmarva events, Delmarva Jeep events, they're really great at guiding the Jeeps and talking them through it. And if somebody gets stuck, stay calm, we're gonna get you out. And that typically happens in a really quick fashion because we have equipment out here to do that. A lady found out that this young man had cancer and he wasn't doing well, and she wanted to just uplift his spirits. She gave him a duck. He smiled. So it became very much synergistically with the Jeep community to say it's a token of love, it's a token of, hey, I'm out here, it's a token, I like your Jeep. And what happens is they put a duck on your Jeep and you show up, all of a sudden there's a duck. So you go out somewhere for dinner, there's a duck. You go to the store, there's a duck. So it became like a symbolic thing to just say, hey, I'm out here, I like your Jeep, and it's a good feeling kind of keepsake, so to speak. And people trade the ducks, and they have different kinds of ducks, big ducks, little ducks, all kinds of ducks. Some of these people come in on Tuesday or Wednesday, and they stay the whole way through till Sunday. So it's kind of like the way Ocean City used to vacation. Families come in, they stay for 4 or 5 days, and we have evening events at different businesses around town where they get a deal with their badge. So I try to make it fun in the morning, noon, at night, and this year we came up with a little moniker, America's All-Star Jeep Event. I do it because I love the culture, and I find that it's really enjoyable to be able to do something you love as a career. So I've produced all kinds of automotive events over my 35 years, but now doing the Jeep events, I feel like it's just this culture unlike any other automotive culture. It really gives me a feeling of pride to be able to do this in Ocean City and enjoy it and watch the people enjoy it. And if they're all having a good time and they're having a safe time and the town likes it, then I'm happy.
Now, Jeep Fest runs through this Sunday. If you want to check out the full list of events in the schedule, we'll have all the details on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. Just click on what's happening today.